Okay, question 33. In an examination, the ratio of passes to failures was 4:1. This is what is given to us. Had 30 less appeared and 20 less passed, the ratio of passes to failures would be 5:1. How many students appeared for the examination? Okay, so I'm going to take the first part over here. Pass to fail, the ratio is 4:1. So pass upon failure, this is 4:1. Okay, so pass, I'm going to take this as 4x. Failures, I'm going to take this as 1x. Correct, because the ratio is 4:2. Fail is 1x. So total is how much? This is going to be 4x plus 1x, that is 5x. Okay. So now, because here in the second part, it's given 30 less appeared and 20 less passed. So here we are going to take in the first part, okay, this part which is there, we are going to take this as pass upon appeared. The original ratio of this is going to be how much? Pass is going to be 4x, and obviously appeared is total, so this is going to be 5x. Now I'm going to apply this condition. 30 less appeared, so number of appeared students is going to become 5x minus 30, and 20 less passed. Original number of passed students is 4x, so 20 less passed, so this is going to become 4x minus 20. Okay, then this is the ratio of pass upon appeared. Okay, but what they have given over here is passes and failures, the ratio will be 5:1. So I will have to rework this out. Okay, this ratio which is there is pass upon appeared. This ratio that they have given, if this is the second condition that is applied, then pass upon failure, this ratio is 5:1. Okay, what I want is pass upon appeared. So pass upon appeared, this is going to become what? This is going to become 5:2. See, pass upon failure, now this new ratio is become 5:1. This is given. Correct. Passes to failures would have been 5:1. So pass upon failure, if you are going to change these numbers, okay, 30 less appeared. So total original appeared is 5x, 30 less appeared, so that is minus 30. Okay, 20 less pass, so original pass is 4x, so now the pass will be 4x minus 20. Now this ratio has to be pass upon appeared. Now in the condition what they have given here, it is passes to failures. Passes to failures is how much? 5:1. Passes to failures is 5:1. So total will be how much? 5 plus 1. This will be 6. Did you understand this? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Correct. Pass upon failure in the second condition, this is becoming 5:1. Okay, so total number of students is going to become 5 plus 1 in parts if we are considering. So pass upon appeared is going to become what? Pass is 5, appeared is 6, so that is going to become 5 upon 6. So this ratio is going to become 5 upon 6 if you are going to change these values. If these numbers, these values are changed according to the second condition, then this ratio of pass upon appeared is going to become 5 upon 6. Now I am simply going to solve this equation and get the value of x. Okay, so I'll just multiply this. 6 will come here in the numerator, 4x minus 20. This is equal to 5 bracket 5x minus 30. I'm simply going to open this bracket. So this is going to become 24x minus, this is going to become 120. is equal to, this is going to become 25x minus, this is going to become 150. Okay, so this is going to become 25x minus 24x minus 150 will come over here on the other side, is going to become 150 minus 120. 150 minus 120,
30.
this is 30. This is equal to 25x minus 24x is only x. So x is equal to 30. Original number of students appeared is 5x. Correct? Appeared student is 5x. So appeared students that is 5x. So 5 into 30, 150 students. I'll just quickly review the sum what I have done. Okay. Just quickly see this. Original pass to fail is 4:1. So this is 4x and 5x. So appeared will be total 4x plus 1x, that is 5x. So pass upon appeared, this is going to become, okay, total is 5x. So this part is going to become 5x and passes are going to be 4x. Now I'm applying the second condition, 30 less appeared. So appeared is this minus 30. 20 less pass. Pass were 4x. So this is minus 20. The new ratio of pass is to fail is becoming 5:1. So pass is to appeared. Appeared, this part is going to become 5 plus 1, 6 parts. So pass upon appeared is going to become 5 upon 6. This is the ratio that we are taking. I'm going to get a simple equation. I'll solve that equation and get the value of x. But the total number of students appeared is 5x. So I'm going to finally multiply that by 5, which is in the last part over here. You can take down the sum. I've recorded it and you will go through this once again once I send you the link.